Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the cursor exactly where you want the link. This determines readability and flow. Once done, paste the website URL into a simple text editor so you can copy it cleanly. Next, select the visible text in Word that will become the link or type the display text and select it. This step matters because it affects how readers perceive trust and clarity. Make sure to keep the raw URL on standby for the next insert dialog. You now open the Insert Hyperlink dialog with Ctrl+K or by right-clicking the selection. This is the precise control point. In the address field, paste your URL and check the display text field. Change it if you need a cleaner label. If you're creating a document for web distribution, make a note that readers expect external links to open separately. Word handles that at export. Click OK to commit the link and visually confirm the underline and color. Finish by testing the hyperlink with Ctrl+Click so you validate the destination immediately. This prevents embarrassing dead ends. If the page fails to load, reopen the hyperlink dialog, inspect for typos, and ensure the URL includes the correct protocol like HTTPS. Small mistakes often break links. Once everything works, save or export to PDF to preserve links across platforms. And keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. If links behave differently for others, check their security settings or corporate filters first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.